Now, we found out some time ago that if you take a whole group of really super bad dudes and hang them in together, they'll make some music whether or not somebody else thought it was hip or not, you know. It'd be okay. You dig? Somebody's got to start it. And we figured that we can make some music just by doing it.
No doubt if you're getting into this album for the first time, you're already familiar with the introductions on Volumes 1 and 2. Volume 3 offers you some interesting rhythms for rock jazz fusion, with the ever-growing acceptance of crossover artists that can sell millions of albums playing advanced chords and leads. Promises to keep recording those new styles that are introduced and are accepted on the commercial charts. Again, with the exciting playing of Let's get into what the professional album is all about.
Start with the beat, you listen to it, you know, then everything, once you find a groove that you want to work with, everything starts falling into place. That's all you need is foundation. The key to it is foundation. If we listen to the beat, and if it's something that moves us, what we do is, your head, the wheels start turning in your head, and all this shit's going through your head, and you try to, you know what I'm saying? Everything falls into place. Once you hear a beat like a key to a door, it opens the door, and once you get in the door, you do whatever. You know what I'm saying?